We have such a cool project going on right now on the bus that we wanted to show you. My buddy does spray foam insulation for houses. We thought it would be perfect because it's a vapor barrier. It'll seal up the backside of the metal that we've worked on. It'll sound deaden and it'll insulate. So that should be really rad. Come and have a look.
So, this is it. Jack?
Wow.
Tell me what we have to do now. This is cool. Like, wow. So this is Roy. Roy is JF's friend, my friend. We went to school together, and we did expanding foam.
Yes, we did a 2-pound medium density foam.
Okay.
And we used it in this particular job because it's superior R value for insulating, keeping it warm in the winter, cool in the summer. And you don't need to apply a whole lot because there's not a lot of room in this particular job.
Okay. And how long obviously there's got to be like a shelf life or an expiration of this, no?
No,
Yes?
no. Once it's applied, it's there for life. The life of the vehicle anyways.
How long have you been doing this?
12 years.
Wow. Okay. This looks great, you guys. I hope for those of you who are ever thinking of doing a tiny bus, this is the way to do it.
Yep.
Okay, bye guys. So, this is it. Jack,
Wow.
tell me what we have to do now.
Roy did a great job. What we did at first is we ran all the wiring in. So all of it has been tucked in where all the lights going.
Okay.
So now it's all buried. All of this electrical is all buried now into the walls.
Okay.
So now with the spray foam in there,
We've got great insulation, we've got great sound deadening, and it looks really good.
Yeah.
The challenge is going to be now the cleanup, and it's easy to pull the tape off of the wires.
Yeah.
When we want to expose that, the windshield wipers has to come apart, and we get that. And then I've got a little special tool where I need to trim all of this back down to the support bars, because the panels need to go up flush against here. So my job this afternoon is going to be taking all the tape off, which most of it comes off pretty good. And the sooner you do it, the better.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Yeah.
now that is a nice flush surface, perfect for us to go with the panels. There is tape underneath here, but it's not going to be so easy to get that off.
No, that's gonna be cut.
So that's where my little tool comes out, and I just put it on there, and it's an oscillating tool, and it will clean everything right up.
Wow.
So once we get it cleaned up, we're ready to put all the panels in, because everything in here is finished and everything is already primered, as you can see. And
You guys have no idea how warm it is in this thing right now. Like, it's super hot now.
that's the chemicals cooking.
So what is this?
Yeah.
I asked Roy off film just how toxic this stuff is, because when he's spraying it, he says it's not toxic after it dries.
Yes.
But while he's spraying it, it's quite toxic.
Exactly.
And I said, ooh, I was filming for quite some time, and I said, how many brain cells did I get? I'm like, it's okay, we've done a few things that we made. I've killed a couple of gins, of, you know.
Exactly.
I think we'll grow some back.
Yeah.
This is amazing though.
No, it's really good.
Yeah.
It's the proper way to do it, and it's gonna keep out the heat and keep in the warmth.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna let you get back to work.
All right, I'll get things ripped apart. Down both sides.
Well, they make different tips for that machine.
Yeah, and I've got every tip in the book.
Okay. I was going to say,
Yeah.
if a trip to the hardware store sort of
Well,
speeds that up, then let's do it. But
Yeah.
You got to
well, what might... Wine.
slicing it up the middle. This flat part, once I've cut both sides off. If that makes any sense. I'm not sure who needs this how-to. Hey?
Yeah.
How to work your ass off.
Yeah.
There we go. We're getting better at it.
Yeah.
By the third motorhome, we should have this all figured out.
Great job on the installation of the school bus, our tiny little house that we're doing for one of our clients. It's awesome. It's coming along great. We have our next week's episode. We'll be talking about what's going to be happening on the top end of the bus. We're going to get a little paint on it, see what color it's going to be. And I think JF and Teddy are going to be working on the front edge of the bus. So again, thank you for watching our channel. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for being a part of our life and the fun things that we do at our shop. Bye.